Namaskar and welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. In this video, we'll see how to use Linux documentation. Linux documentation is the help provided by Linux to use various commands in Linux. So if you stuck up using some command, if you want to know how to use the command, what is the syntax, what are the various options that are available with the command, you can use the Linux documentation.
So these are the three commands that we are going to see to get the help from Linux for any command that you wish to use. And if you want to know the syntax and the usage of that command, you can use these three commands: the man command, info command, and whatis command. So let's see how to use these commands further. So to use these commands, we will open the terminal. So terminal can be opened in two ways. One is you can press the shortcut key Alt Control T, or you can go to the show applications menu, and here you will see all the applications that are there in your in the Linux machine. So you can click on the frequent, or you can click on the all, and here you can select the terminal. So you can also get the terminal from the utilities. So click on utilities and select the terminal. So here you will see the terminal. Open the terminal, and this is what is the terminal. So terminal is very much similar to the CMD, that is the command prompt in Windows. So let's see how to use the man command. So the man stands for manual. So you can use a name of the command with man. So you can say man cat. So if you want to know how to use the cat command, you will use the command in this form, man cat. So this will open the documentation for the cat command that tells you what is the name of the command. So here it tells you the name of the command and what it does. Then you have the synopsis. Synopsis tells you how to use the command. So it shows you the command to be used, cat. There has to be some option and a file. So you may use the option or you may not use the option. So this is the whatever you see in the square bracket is optional. Then it tells you the description. So description tells you concatenation of files through standard output. Now if you want to scroll down, you press the space bar and you can scroll down. So these are all the options, or you can also use the up arrow and the down arrow to navigate through these options. So description also shows you various options that can be used with the cat command. So you can know about any option that you want to use and just scroll down, you'll see the example. So how to use the command, the example will be shown here. It also shows you about the author who has created this command. So this command is created by John Gralund and Richard Stallman. So these are the commands that are created by the authors, and if you find any bugs with this command, you can report it to the URLs that are provided here. It also mentions about the copyright information. So it is available under the Free Software Foundation. So this is the copyright information. Then you can also see the see also option. So if you want to use some more commands similar to a cat, it shows you the option. So you can also go through these commands. So spacebar is going to scroll you down. You can use the arrow keys also to scroll up and down. So these are the up arrow and the down arrow. And if you want to come out of the manual, you will press the Q key on your keyboard and you will be back to your command prompt. So this is the command prompt, which is the $command prompt. So this is how we use the man command. The second command is the info command. Now info command gives you the information about the command. So we say info cat. So again here you can see the information about the cat. So it shows the concatenate and write files. So it tells you the usage, it tells you what it does, it tells you the usage, and you can see the options. Again you can press the space bar to scroll down, or you can use the arrow keys to scroll down, up and down, the up arrow and the down arrow. And if you want to come out of this, again you will press the Q key on your keyboard and you'll be out of this. Then the third command we see is the whatis and the name of the command. So let's see what you get on this command. So whatis gives you a short description about the command. So whatever command you want to use, it gives you the short description about the command. So what is date? So it shows you the information about the date, the print or set the system date. So this is how we use the help from Linux with the help of these three commands. So man, info and whatis. So these three commands are very useful to know about any command. These commands tell you the usage of whatever commands you want to know about. So in the next video we will see what is the shell. So we will learn about the shell and see the usage of the shell. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel. And please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.